Global Family Day. On January 1st, the world observes Global Family Day, also known as World Peace Day, to concretize the idea of global unity and harmony in the minds of people. It is a day that marks the beginning of a new year, with hopes to have more concord in our daily lives to witness, both micro and macro, positive changes in the world. Global Family Day is celebrated every year to promote the concept of harmony and unity in the world. Furthermore, it emphasizes the idea of the world as a global village in which we are all family, regardless of citizenship, borders, or race. It all started in 1997 when the United Nations General Assembly launched the International Decade for the Culture of Peace and Nonviolence for the Children of the World, as of the first day of the new millennium. Linda Grover was a key figure in promoting this in the US, and other efforts to promote it included books such as One Day in Peace, January 1, 2000. This book revolved around the concept of a day in the future where there is only peace and no war. However, this was just the beginning of a new peaceful world, and, in 1999, all UN member states received an invitation to formally dedicate the first day of that particular year to develop strategies towards peace building. Seeing the positive impact of the day, Global Family Day was declared an annual event by the UN in 2001. This is the idea behind Global Family Day. It also shines a light on the fact that despite the differences in borders, ethnicity, and cultures, we are all one big family, and we should treat everyone with love and respect. The Global Family Day is celebrated on the first day of the new year so that people can make resolutions to transform the world into a better place in the coming year.